This video demonstrates how to get many points during the monthly raid events, taking little repair. We are using Dreadnought X, fitted with 6 Assault Mortars and 2 Shockwaves, and for specials using Engine, Guidance Scrambler, Reactive Armor and High Explosive Shells. From the start, head towards the Typhoon and the Guard fleet. Target the nearest guard ship. Your mortar splash will also affect all 3 of the drag ships. Always keep moving, in a straighter line as possible, so you don't get hit by the guards' mortars. After the guards have been sunk, move towards and target the Typhoon. Turn away from the Typhoon, so it is kept in your weapon's range as it moves. We are using the same technique shown in previous videos, kiting with mortars. Here we took just over an hour's fleet repair. Now we are going to show how to take less damage, by using a pinch rocket. We chose Typhoon fleets over the operation hubs, as the Typhoons give better points and cause lower damage. Use the pinch just as you're approaching the Typhoon. The use of the rocket will lessen damage to your fleet, as the Typhoon stops firing and will also be sunk faster by your mortars. Here is the ship build. On the left you can see we took 47 minutes repair. This will cost 2 coins to instant speed repair. Engine helps catch up to the Typhoon faster, thus taking less damage, also helps outrun the drag's mortars. Guidance Scrambler increases your ship's evade, so you take less damage from the drag's torpedoes, missiles and cannons. Reactive armor is the favored special armor, as the guard fleet and drones are equipped with mainly missiles. High explosive shells increases your mortar's splash damage, which will help sink the drags faster. Thank you for watching. Other videos include the Level 8 Labs Challenge, using Leviathans and the tech found in Level 8 Labs to defeat a Level 55 Elite Intel fleet, taking no damage. Also, how to snipe players' warehouses from outside the base walls, taking resources without causing damage to your fleet. Mouse over the video, and click to watch.